Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today on the mill we have a hickory log, and it is pouring down raining out here today. So I'm going to saw it up, but I'm not taking the wood anywhere because I'm not getting my skid steer all full of water again. This is the hickory log, and as Austin would say, it has a Y in it down at this end. It's a good sized hickory. It's probably about 14-15 inches in diameter. There's a lump there, and there's the end. We're going to cut that up today, cut it into some boards, 1 inch thick, 4/4. So that's what we're doing today, so let's get to it. Hickory is a really hard wood. Let it cut flat. All right, I'm gonna roll this up, cut it the other way. Maybe I'll flip it all the way over. Ooh. That actually looks pretty nice. Not so nice. It's about 1 inch off the bunk. Have to raise this end a little. That looks pretty good there. Toe boards. I love them. That's heavy. Cut a bit off that end. Ha. Okay, that looks like there's bark in it. And it's on this side too. There's a big, that's where that other limb was. But it's good and solid going down this way. Some pretty wood. Yeah, when we get into the middle, it'll be even prettier. There's what the heartwood looks like. It's all mud out there. Terrible day to be outside. Oh, I gotta let that toe board down. Put the toe board down. It's the only bad thing about toe boards is they don't go down automatically. Oh yeah. That's kind of a heavy log still. Oh, come on. You don't want... Oh, it's starting to pour again. I know it seems like we're taking a big heavy cut down there, but it's only like a ½ inch thick here. And that's good wood for a smoker. Oh yeah, that was strangely satisfying, peeling a log like that. Wow, how did that get so heavy? Not bad. Not bad. So I'm just going to run down it and cut it into 1-inch thick boards. I'll do my step cut thing. Yeah, I better empty this. Oh, welcome to Northeast Ohio, where we go from gray and pouring down rain to a bright sunny day. I love it. It's getting nicer. Ooh, that filled up. So here's the wood we ended up with. And there's some pretty hickory there. You can see this one better probably. So I don't do this for money. I just trying to stay active as I get old, because staying active is so important as you're getting older. And this is what I do for fun. So a lot of this, you know, I give it to my kids, I give it to my brother-in-laws, whoever needs some wood. But I have fun sawing it up. There's another board there. There's two more there. And then the bottom one is about 2 1/4 inches thick. I figured I'd save it in case I need something a little heavier. But hickory, pretty stuff. You make nice cabinets out of that. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back again. Next log should be better. This was just a little one, a rainy day. I needed to get out here and cut something, so. See you next time. Thanks for watching. There's more hickory. Cherry, pine. That's the one I want to cut. A big white oak. That thing's got to be 35 inches. There's another one there. One of them's a swamp oak. I don't know which. Ooh, cherry, a big cherry. I gotta get that off the ground before it rots. This is my camp pile here. The logs that are sitting on the ground, I saw them up. I make a square. That one's cherry there, look at that. And I need to build this out further so I can put some more metal on top, keep all of these dry. See, they stay nice and dry in there. There's a, that's a black walnut fireplace mantle, live edge. That's a good one. That's ash. Anyway, so I cut these big cants. Some of these are really huge. And you set them here and let them dry. I know, I'm crazy. Adam says I come out here and stare at the wood. It's not true. I look at it from the house.